Hi guys, it's Texie Dust. I have a new home studio, can you believe it? And hopefully the sound's a lot better because I'm using a microphone. Let's talk about this. So basically, I'm just trying to actually have a channel now that there's there's over 175 of you guys. So, why not try? Try to have proper sound. You can tell from my last trip, I had already upgraded my phone, which is what I've always used to film on this channel. These are just my home videos, my way of always remembering my Disney trips, as opposed to, Molly's Disney trips. Or the Tracker's Disney trips. Anybody else? When I get old and gray, I want my kids to be able to put up videos that are mine of my happy place. So, I don't know. I guess I'm just a little more aware of aging. I mean, number one, 47. Number two, I'm a caretaker. I took care of my father as he passed away. And for the last 5 years, my mom's been living with us. And when she fought cancer, I became her caretaker. So that's just what I do. So the videos are just ways to document my life. That's all it is for me. I'm not trying to blog necessarily, but I am trying to remember the special stuff, especially with my mom. Our upcoming trip is me and my mom, and I'm entirely too excited about it because I'm just ready to get away with her and us to have a special magical time to always remember. So there's just some fun videos coming up, that's for sure. But also, I wanted to talk about how I've also upgraded from just the phone. My husband gifted me with a GoPro 11, woohoo-hoo, whatever that is. I don't know, guys. I'm the amateur in all of this. It's a miracle I ever made a channel. But that really was my desire to see my life recorded. So, something special to me. And if y'all enjoy watching, that's wonderful. I love having subscribers. It's terribly fun. I have more subscribers than people I know. So I'm already successful for me. So let's talk about how I'm changing how I film. We've set up the home studio so that hopefully we can get a little better volume when I do decide to do unboxing videos. There's a few of those coming up. I got the Haunted Mansion Hallmark. So that's coming in future videos. Also, other than just setting up the home studio, me and my husband, he supports my hobbies. We upgraded to microphones, which is really important for me to remember. Like, I have some great videos of my memories, but anytime my mom talks, you cannot hear her. And I want great videos with my mom. That's what I want to remember. So we upgraded to microphones and the new camera and the new phone and the new home studio so that actually I can try to make decent videos with the right lighting and the right sound. So we'll see how that goes out in the wild on the next trip. I don't live in Florida. When I go there, it's just for bits. So I stay busy and I don't always film everything because, I want to have fun too. But I always want to remember the fun, so I do try to film. Anyway, there's so much coming up on this next trip. I'm so excited about it. And I hope you guys can actually see the next trip, hear the next trip, and get to enjoy it along with me. And that's all from Texie Dust.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!